Look at this channel Trixie with almost 140,000 subscribers consistently pulling hundreds of thousands of views on their shorts, and some even hitting millions. You might be wondering what makes them different in such a crowded space. They create horror content, but here is the catch. They use unique storylines with unexpected twists and a distinctive, horrific character that sets them apart from the oversaturated market. Their approach is completely different, and that is exactly why every single video explodes. But here's the reality. If you think success like this happens overnight, you will keep struggling on YouTube. Every day, hundreds of niches get revealed, and most are already saturated, which is why I focus on bringing you unique and hidden opportunities with real potential for sudden growth. Now, some of you might think that my video on this niche will saturate it because everyone will jump in. Let me be clear, not everyone watching this will actually start, and out of those who do, almost 90% will give up within weeks because they are looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, not real work. I do not sell fake dreams here. In this video, I am breaking down this entire niche step by step so you can start creating content right away, and with proper hard work and consistency, I assure you one thing, you will make it, but it is going to take serious effort. Make sure to watch the full video because this might be your chance to finally break through. Now first, what we need to cover up is to actually find out whether this niche is really worth it or not. What are the virality chances? And during which days we should post our short to get maximum exposure, which can result in getting more than regular views on your videos. And most importantly, find out video topics related to the channel Datrix so that we can also get some boost in views by targeting similar audience. And for all of these purposes, I will use Virlo AI. This is one of the tools I personally use from a couple of months now. When you are on the home page of Virlo, simply jump to the Creator Search tab, and this is where we will decode everything. First of all, you need to select YouTube and head back to the channel and copy their channel handle and paste it inside of Virlo and just hit Analyze, after which Virlo will start processing, and it's going to take a few seconds to minutes only. And here we go. The channel has got 25 million views in last 40 shorts, which is actually pretty crazy. And most important thing, their virality score is above average, which is an indicator of above average potential in this niche, which confirms that we are not throwing darts in the dark. Coming down to the graph, and this graph actually shows that during which specific days this channel had gotten highest views and reach. And the graph actually shows that during Friday uploads, this channel got highest amount of views on their shorts. On second number is Tuesday, and third number goes to Wednesday. By uploading your shorts during these peak days, you can actually increase your chances of getting more than average views. Now, a little above, you will see a topic generator. Once you click on it, Virlo is going to analyze the channel Trixie and will provide you with video topics relevant to theirs, which will increase chances for your short to come in the same feed as of their short, presenting your short in front of relevant audience and making them interested in your shorts as well. Guys, you might already know that growth on YouTube is not easy, and if some gurus claim it to be, they're not telling you the full story. You need to be strategic. Throwing darts in the dark and expecting miracles is just pure luck, not a real growth plan. If you genuinely want to make your place on YouTube, you first need to understand how the algorithm works, learn the fundamentals of content creation, and then consistently apply what works. That's why I created ProvenTube Academy, where you'll find premium courses designed to help you understand YouTube deeply and improve your content strategically. You'll also learn practical ways to earn money besides ad revenue, differentiate between real and fake sponsors, and most importantly, you get direct access to me every Saturday and Sunday for one-on-one sessions where I'll review your channel, clear your doubts, and guide you in the right direction. If you're serious about growing on YouTube the right way, join the Academy through the link in the description. Okay, so by following the Virlo method, we not only decoded our niche, but also got some crazy and relevant video ideas, and now we will continue our content creation process, which leads to our second step, which is writing our script. And for this purpose, I am going to use EaseMate, and the reason is because it's an all-in-one AI tool with many free features, especially GPT-5, which is paid inside the official OpenAI, but free to use inside EaseMate. There are many other models as well. You can test them out as well to see which works best for you. For now, I will go with GPT-5, and now comes the part where you will will need a bunch of prompts to 10x your work and get faster and better results instead of doing things manually. I have listed all the prompts used in this video in a separate Google document, and you can very easily access this Google document from the prompts channel inside of my Discord server. You will also get prompts of my previous videos listed there as well. In case you are interested in the niches I previously revealed, you will get their prompts listed inside Discord as well, and you can join my Discord completely for free from the link in the description of this video. Getting back to work, now you will have to copy the prompt for script writing from the Google document and paste that prompt inside of EaseMate. In the prompt, you will see empty placeholders to input your video topic, so I am going to copy-paste a topic that I finalized earlier inside Virlo. This prompt commands GPT to use easy and conversational English to make the script feel like human, written, avoiding robotic wording, and also commands to start the script directly from a fearful pain point to instantly hook the viewers, and uses suspenseful storytelling to keep the hook throughout the video. And just like that, you will have your script ready in a few seconds only. I suggest read out the script and, if needed, add a bit of your own commentary or wording as well to make it even more engaging. Once we have the script, it's time to generate the voiceover. And for voiceover, we will be using DapDab. And there are many reasons of doing that, which I will show you in a moment. First of all, simply head to the VoiceOver tab, and from there, head to More Voiceovers. And this is the interface from where you can select your desired voiceover character. Now, the reason to choose DapDab is because it has tons and tons of voiceover, and not just ordinary voiceovers, but animated voiceovers as well. There are different categories for voiceovers as well. The more realistic and relatable your voice is to your niche, the more unique you will appear in the crowd from top. You can select the gender as well as age of the voiceover character. Most importantly, you can select voiceover quality as well. And I suggest to go with Ultra. If you want total, realistic, and human-sounding voiceover, you can literally handpick a voice of your choice. In Final, simply copy-paste your script inside of DapDab and click on the play icon to preview your voiceover. Let me show you the demo.
If your school's vending machine flashes your name, run. Rule 1. Do not touch it. If you press buttons, the lights will follow.
Once you are satisfied with the voiceover, simply click on Export and select Format as MP3 and hit Export. Once again, one more important thing is that you can also clone your own voiceover. If you want to do personally branding in your own unique voice, you can do that as well. So we have script as well as voiceover ready. It's time to generate our visuals. And for visuals first, we will need some crazy prompts. For that purpose, you will have to utilize the next prompt from the Google document, which is for getting image descriptions. Simply enter this prompt inside EaseMate, and in this prompt, you will again see empty placeholders. In these placeholders, you need to copy-paste your script. And depending on your script, AI is going to write some crazy prompts. And the reason these prompts are going to be crazy is because if you take a look at the channel Trixie, they use a creepy image style, and most importantly, a creepy character with a huge, horrific smile, and has no eyes and only a shadow of nose, giving him a look of a horrific character, which is their brand identity. And we are going to replicate them and create a similar character as well. After reviewing your prompt, AI is going to spit out all the powerful prompts for your entire script, and now you can very easily convert these descriptions into images. And the best part, you don't need to search for a good image generator because EaseMate has that as well. Simply head to AI Image and click on Image Generator, and this is where you can very easily make your images in a matter of seconds. So I am just gonna copy and paste the first prompt inside of EaseMate, and make sure to first select a good image model. I personally prefer GPT-4o image model because of extraordinary quality and accuracy. The channel Trixie uses 1:1 format for their images, but I suggest using 2:3 because it comes in between 1:1 and 9:16. Giving both more details and covering less space on the screen. After that, simply hit Generate, and EaseMate is going to start creating your images, which is going to take roughly 1 to 2 minutes. And this is how our final image looks like. You can take a closer look at the image quality and details. It's mind-blowing. Similarly, you need to copy-paste your other prompts as well, one by one, and create all of your images. The best part, you can use these images as it is without even having the need to animate them, and they will work just fine. Since we have all of our materials ready, it's finally time to edit our video inside of CapCut. And first of all, import all the material inside of CapCut and make sure to place the voiceover on the timeline. And first of all, make sure to remove the silent areas from the timeline. I have analyzed many channels so far, and I always see people take this step so lightly and actually avoid removing the silent areas, and this plays a huge impact in their video retention and overall reach. So never misunderstand these small details because they play a very big role in your actual actual engagement. Once the voiceover is properly adjusted, make sure to select the aspect ratio of your video as 9:16 and then listen to the voiceover twice or thrice and place all the images on the timeline properly in a sequence. If you are a beginner, you might get confused here, so make sure to name your images as 1, 2, 3, and so on after downloading so you can place them in sequence without confusion. And after that, you can add small zoom-in effects using keyframes. For that, simply come to the start of any image and place a keyframe on transform there, and then move to the end of the image and increase its size by a few points. Then on the next image, in start first, place a keyframe once again, but this time increase the size of the image on the first keyframe, and head to the end of the image, and this time decrease the size of the image back to 100, and just like this, your first image zooms in and the next one zooms out. To make this animation even smoother, right-click on the image and go to Show Variable Keyframe Animations, and from the graph icon, you can actually select one of the smooth presets. I suggest you to go with S-shaped graphs, and this is how your image will look now. See how big impact a small change can actually make in your entire video. Now do this for all of the images, and once done, add some transitions between your clips. I suggest to go with normal black fade and camera light transitions to give overall video a spooky and horror vibe. And when it comes to effects, you can scroll and apply different effects, or you can even search for horror type of effects. There are tons and tons of different horror effects inside of CapCut, which you can very easily apply to your clips to bring them to life, making your overall video much more engaging. After that, make sure to apply auto captions to your video using the auto captions feature inside of CapCut. There are dozens of different caption templates which you can choose to apply a popular type of animation to your captions without sitting there for hours and making captions manually. Make sure to adjust the size of your captions and place them at a suitable location on the screen. And in final, add a horror background music that matches the vibe of your video. Make sure to adjust its volume so that it's not interfering with the voiceover and sounds good in the background. And that's it. Your video is ready. Let's take a look at it.
If your school's vending machine flashes your name, run. Rule 1. Do not touch it. If you press buttons, the lights will follow and the coin tray will crawl along your skin. Rule 2. Do not tell friends or look back. Talking lets the voice learn your face. Looking back makes the screen call you at night. Rule 3. Leave campus now. Do not go home. If you sleep under the same roof, it will stand at your window and tap your glass in your exact rhythm. Rule 4. Destroy any paper it spits out. Do not keep it. Keeping it writes your name onto other machines. Rule 5. If the metal whispers your name, do not run toward help. Run away from every building. Break a rule, and a cold hand will turn your name into a list. Do not think it is a joke. Cameras freeze. Teachers walk past you as if you are not there. And it will learn to copy your mother's voice before it opens your door. If it knows your name, nothing else matters.
Guys, that was literally all. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time.